Oh, I know this part. This is the part where you tempt me, and I say no. Because I'm good, I'm the hero, always been a special child, poor but virtuous, and I'm very good at sports. My whole life, really, people have been holding me up and saying, look at Frank, he's special. And I know that they're right. There's something inside of me that's incredibly rare and incredibly, special. I've always known that it was going to be different for me, that I didn't get by for nothing, working the land. That rocky, shitty soil, half the time you can't even get a potato out of it. And some winters we get by, but some winters there's just nothing. There's just nothing to eat, and so we pull our belts tight and wait till spring, and then spring comes, but actually guess what? There's still nothing. I do not plan to be nothing. I got by because I could feel what was inside of me, just under the ribs, waiting to grow, waiting for the right soil. And here it is. And here I am, and I am ready to be great. And nobody, and I do mean nobody, is going to stand in my way. Nina, I cursed you. I hated you. I tore up all your letters and photographs. But I realized every minute that my soul was tied to yours forever. I can't not love you, Nina. I can't. I call out your name sometimes. I've kissed the ground that you walked on. Everywhere I look, I see your face. There, that tender smile that used to shine on me in the best years of my life. Ever since I lost you and my work began to be published, my life it's been unbearable. I don't know what my work is good for or who needs it, but you have found your way in life. You know where you're heading. Me, I just go on drifting through a chaos of images and dreams. I'm all alone. Nobody loves me. Nina, please stay with me. Or let me come with you.